or as you would say, there's low-key algebra involved. Anyways, not funny. All right, sum of interior angles is 3060. Determine the number of sides. You cannot just guess and check, because some students try that. I appreciate the effort, but you have to show us work here, okay? So you start with the formula. If it's sum of interior angles, what formula are you thinking of? S is equal to n minus 2 times 180, correct? Okay. So if that's your starting point, which one of these two variables do we know at this point? We know the sum itself, right? So I'm going to use a red pen here. I'm going to show you that we're substituting this one. We're substituting in the 3060. So it's as if you're replacing the S with the number. And on the other side, you've got n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Now, I say this, in math there's different ways to solve, okay? But there's sometimes the smart way, the one that involves less work. It's kind of more efficient. This is what I'm going to do. So some of you might say, oh, 180 is multiplying all of this, so let's just multiply that out and see what happens, right? You could do that, but I'm going to suggest to you to do this. There's a number on the left side, so I'm going to go, I will divide this entire side by 180, and so the same thing I will do on the other side. Reason being, I want to cancel this out. That is the main reason. You grab your calculator. You go 3060 divided by 180. That gives you 17. Okay? So you get 17. And on this side, it's just n minus 2 left over. What do we do at this point? Add 2 to both sides. Yeah. This cancels out. And so it's n is equal to 19. There we go. You're done. You solved for the number of sides. We don't have a name for it, so you're off the hook on that one. One more. Oh, what? Exterior angle is this. This is the easiest one of them all, guys. This one, I hope you get this one. What's this formula for exterior angles? 360 over n. We substitute in the exterior angle because we know what that is. So that's 1125 is equal to 360 over n. What does this look like to you? Cross multiply and divide. Thank you, thank you. I thought you'd never say anything. I put a 1 under there, okay, just to have it as a placeholder. You cross multiply and divide. N is equal to 360 times 1 divided by 1125, right? Cross multiply and divide. You should never get a decimal for any of these, okay? No decimals allowed for number of sides. You can have decimal angles, you cannot have decimal sides. So this would be divided by 11.25, and you get 32. So that polygon has, sorry, and we just call it a 32-sided polygon at that point. Okay? I sort of lied. One more. Low-key lied on. Anyways, what's the formula here? This can be very complicated or very, very easy. The interior angle formula is what? Do you want to work with that? Do you think it would be easy to work with that? No, it's terrible. But can we figure out the exterior angle? Do you remember how we can find the exterior angle if we have an interior angle? 180 minus I, right? So the exterior angle right now, let's do mental math. What's 180 minus 171? It's 9, right? It's 9, correct? And you need to see the beauty of this, okay? What did I just do? What did I just do? What did I turn this question into? I turned it into a question where they give you the exterior angle, right? So you can just use this formula instead of this one here. So I'm just quickly do that. 9 is equal to 360 over n. I put a 1 there, cross multiply and divide. N is equal to 40 sides. This could be 100, 200, 300 sides, it doesn't matter, right? Like that, to us, that's not a big deal because we'll just use algebra and get there. Okay, so I'll stop there.